Let us see what is inside. Right, box inside a box. Thank you. So this is one badass looking box right here. Good job, easy. So before I take away its beauty and destroy it, let's check it out. So at the front of the box, you can see the actual camera, and if you have the opportunity to get the box in your hand as well, you can feel that the quality of printing on the box is just amazing. You can feel the printing here of the camera. So the highlights are it's waterproof up to 30 meters and it can shoot in 5K 30 FPS, which is really great for the price. It has 48 megapixels, challenging the iPhone 13 Pro Max right now. And the battery life, the monstrous battery life of up to 130 minutes on a single battery. At the side of the box, we have the in-box contents. So we have more than 20 accessories which are included in this package. So this is a really great thing for people who are on a budget. You're gonna get everything you need to start moto vlogging or any sort of that thing. At the back, we have the MRP, which is 16,999 right now. I have linked it down below. You can buy it. It's on sale right now, so you can get it below 10,000 rupees. And this is the best thing. Enough yapping, let's open it up. So you can either tear it or peel it. I like to destroy stuff. So we have a very good quality case right here. Feels really premium. Too bad it doesn't have some kind of branding on it. Maybe I spoke too soon. So yeah, we have the Easy One branding right here. It would be great if it's printed Easy One or Easy Cam. It has a carry strap as well. Now let's open the main stuff which we paid the money for. So this is straight up a lot of stuff to go through. So first of all, let's take the camera in our hands. So this is the Easy One 5K Wi-Fi action camera. It comes in its own water protective housing. Just put it like that and it'll open. And this is the camera itself. This is the battery compartment, and it comes with one of the batteries pre-installed. Even with the battery inside the camera, it feels really light. Next we get a microfiber, 5 different types of mounts in package. Some 3M sticky mounts with the bike helmet mount attachment as well. Another holder for the action camera. This is a lighter version of the same thing, but it's not waterproof. Next you have the second extra battery which you get in box as well. Some more mounts, a micro USB cable, some foam pads and zip ties. You also get some belts and velcro, one more extra screen for the mount. The user manual. Make sure to read it, but we are already educated. That's all for the inbox contents, and as you can already see, this is a huge amount of stuff which you get with the camera itself. So now let us remove these satisfying peels from the camera screens. Now let's take a closer look at the camera. So the action cam is already quite badass because of the features that are included in it, but also because it does not look like a budget action camera from any angle. It looks really premium. It has the really good looks that you would expect from a very high-end camera. The build quality is really great. The plastic which is used here, it is really good. It's not the cheap plastic that you get with the the cheap action cameras. It just feels really great in your hand. So the only thing that I did not like in the camera was that this battery compartment door is way too flimsy, because even with the slightest of the pressure, it just opens up. And it's not that durable as well. It bends easily. It just feels that it's gonna fall off any moment. So other than this, the camera is really killing it in every aspect. So this is the cheapest camera in the segment, which offers dual screens and also 5K recording at 30 frames per second, which the company has clearly mentioned here. So now let's turn it on. You are greeted with a little jingle, and there you go, the camera is on now. On first looks, the UI looks pretty basic. The screen seems responsive. There's some lag, but that's negligible. You have the battery status here. You have a microphone. That means it is going to record audio as well. You can zoom in through here. So the zoom actually looks quite good. The image is not that distorted and it looks quite clear. So only one of the two screens will function at one time to conserve battery. So to turn on the secondary screen, you need to press this button. So there you go. Now the secondary screen is on and the primary screen is off. And now we can turn on the primary screen again. Now this will be off again. So you can scroll to change between two modes, which is video and photo. You need to scroll from the bottom like so, and there you go, you have the different options there. You can also connect it to your phone via Wi-Fi. So this camera features EIS or electronic image stabilization, and we're gonna put it to the test later in the video. So the UI is okay-ish. I'm not too bummed about it. You can't expect too much from a budget camera, which is already offering you 5K recording with dual screens. But in my opinion, it could have been made slightly better, because this just then looks the UI that you would get with those cheap action cameras. So that's pretty much it about the closer looks on the camera. Now let's go outside and put this camera to the real test. So this is the video recording at 5K 30 FPS, and this is the video recording at 4K 30 FPS. And now these are both the video recordings side by side. And now this is me at 3 different resolutions. These are some of the photos that I took as well. So the app for the camera is called iSmart DV2. This is the app. So just download it and click open. Next, turn on your action camera. So now press the lower rocker button, and then it's gonna show you Wi-Fi open. Now you can go to Wi-Fi on your phone, and it's gonna show up as this name, Easy1. So here you go, it showed up. Now you can just connect to it. For the password, it's shown here, 12345678 Now it's connected. Now I can go to the app. So now I have the live feed from the camera. So the video streaming is quite good, and there is a very low amount of lag in the stream. So here in the app you can change the video resolution, and here you have the options to record or change the camera mode. So to conclude the video, the Easy1 5K action camera is a product which is worth the money and is a must buy for every person who is looking for a budget action camera, because it provides you with all the modern day features in a very affordable price. And all of this makes it a complete package. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like to the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you and have an awesome day ahead.